welcome back to my channel. We are still here in beautiful Turks and Caicos, and come enjoy a little beach day with me. We are here at Sapodilla Bay. Was highly recommended, and they have a little bit of food. They have jet skis. I think someone's getting us kayaks. They have everything you need here. So let's enjoy the beach in beautiful Turks. Guys, look at this adorable beach bar. And I love me a good espresso martini. Maybe we should try a little food though, you know. Gotta stay fueled up for our nice beach day. Food is important. I'm like very particular about my food. Not picky as in the things I'm willing to eat, but I don't want the calories unless it's gonna be worth it, you know? So maybe I'll just get a sandwich. That sounds kind of good. Hello, good. How are you?
You can have this one. Yeah, more option on it. That's
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, more option on it.
Okay, thank you. Oh, look, they do have ATVs. Okay. You guys, if you come to Sapodilla Bay, it looks like they're going to have everything you need. Food, excursions. Oh, okay, here's more food pics. Okay, wait, I need to decide what I'm going to eat. What should I try? What should I eat? What's the favorite?
The Conch. So it's the Conch, but you can try it in 3 different ways. This right here.
Ah, ooh, yeah, fried, right?
Yeah, you can have the fried Conch with you got the Conch salad as well, and you have the Conch fritters.
Okay, so it's like a sampler trio.
Yeah,
Got
trio.
it. Okay, that
like
sounds
simple.
good. So let's do that. Can I order with you? Or?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
But one thing, we open at 11. The kitchen open at 11.
What time is it? Oh no, so we can't order food. It's 10?
It's just 10 o'clock. Next hour. We'll open next hour.
I won't be here. I'll have to leave.
Really?
Yeah.
Or let me make a call. Let me make a call to see.
Maybe at least just the Conch trio. Just one thing at least. But I can have a drink, right?
Yeah.
The bar is open? Okay. So, if you guys come out here, the food doesn't open till 11 a.m., but looks like the drinks are flowing all day long. So that's good. That's the most important, right? Alcohol for breakfast.
What you gonna have?
I'm gonna try the pistol. You guys. It's tequila, Grand Mariner, fresh strawberry, mint leaves, and fresh lime. Breakfast of a champion. So switched my drink over to a classic margarita. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to wait for the fresh mint, so let's go with a margarita. Thank you. Cheers. That's it. Okay, got my drink, got my lounge chair. This is all I really need, and the beach. Perfect. Cutest tiny little crab. Mr. Krabs, come here. I almost had him. There he is. Wait, maybe I need the cup. Okay, wait. You know, maybe I should leave animals alone in the wild. But it was the cutest tiny little crab. And he was friendly. Okay, I don't see him now. But cute tiny crabs. I love tiny crabs. We've seen a sea turtle the other day when we were going out on the boat. And I love seeing wild animals in their natural habitat. So with that being said, let me not bother the crab, but so adorable. Okay guys, so we have conch 3 ways. We're not sure if it's conch or conch, but I'm thinking it's conch. 3 ways, fried, like breaded and fried, and then it kind of looks like a ceviche-like thing, a little bit of plantains. So conch is really popular here on the island, and I've had it before. It's so good, but this is like a nice little sampler trifecta where I could try it 3 ways. So let's try it. Like a ceviche. Good, good. Ooh, it's got the spice because of the jalapeno. Yum. Okay. These look like hush puppies. That's kind of what they look like. So conch, and I think it's breaded. Let's see. Good. This is so perfect right now. On the beautiful Turks beach. This is amazing. I love this. Okay, so we're ready for our jet skis. Tropical Waves is providing us with a beautiful jet ski on the open ocean. Look at that. No road lines or anything. Just get out there and go crazy. So Steve's gonna put the drone up and hopefully get some nice shots for you. So come with me. Let's go jet skiing in Turks. So much more fun than on the lake because, you know, you're working with the waves, you're riding the waves, and it's just way crazier. I love it. So make sure to do jet skis if you come out here to Turks. And it's a little cloudy today, but all week pretty much it's been so bright blue, as you guys probably seen in all the vlogs. But don't forget to give this video a like right now and hit subscribe.